Lie down on your back. Compare the two sides. Breathing into the ribs, upper ribs of one side. Breathe into the upper ribs of the other side. As you alternate sides with your breathing, look for which side is more constricted. Are there different aspects of constriction from one side to the other? We're going to do the upper half of the side bend, just on both sides. If you'd like, you don't even need to use a pillow. We're going to start with the pillow here, but be really gentle on the neck. Lower hand is under the head, and the upper hand just grabs the head wherever it's comfortable. You could grab the back of the head or the back of the neck. Could grab the crown of the head. If there's a restriction in your shoulder, let's have that be defining where your hand is on your head. If your shoulder is very free, you could have your hand come all the way and wrap underneath here. That would be a good way to do this. Okay. Right now, we're just starting like this. The gentle breath into that upper side of the ribs. On the exhale, both hands just lift that heavy head, just a little bit up off the pillow. As both hands lift the head, look what's happening in the ribs. How do the ribs close? Where you're pushing your body into the mat, and then lowering slowly out of that. Let the head be heavy in the hands. It's a rib movement. The ribs are opening to allow the head to lower. I encourage you to try it without a pillow. Gently, the hands are lowering the head. Can these upper ribs open for the head to lower and touch the floor? The gentle breath in. On the exhale, let the head be heavy. The hands lift that heavy boulder of a head. Closing on up. Be careful that you're not curling forward too much. Be careful that your upper shoulder isn't too far back. It's really using the swath of the side ribs. Closing on up. The hands lift the heavy head. The ribs, the upper ribs pull down into the body. They're pushing, even pushing the torso down into the mat. Where do you push down into the mat? And open slowly out of that. Gentle, gentle. Ribs open. Forehead to rest on the pillow or on the mat. If you're feeling comfortable, you could have that lower arm comes forward and just that upper hand holds the head. On the exhale, we're closing on up. The ribs are lifting the shoulder, that lift the elbow, that lift the hand, that lift the head. Gentle, easy on the neck. Can it be a rib movement of the ribs pulling into the body? Squeeze the air out with that movement. Opening slowly. Opening slowly, easy. Gentle. Breath into the upper side ribs. Both hands can lift the head. It can be really easy because both hands lift that head. It's easy. This upper hand is holding the back of my head. Both hands lift the head. Ribs close. That armpit pulls down the side of the body. Just open easily. Control it. Little steps. Steps. At every moment, which place is opening? Gentle breath in. On the exhale, closing on up. Ribs close. The ribs pull down into the body to lift the head. It's not a big neck movement. The neck doesn't even have to do anything. That hand is lifting the head. The ribs are pulling that shoulder to lift the head. Open slowly. Breathing cycles. Every breath in is at the opening of the ribs to lower the head. Okay. Lie down on your back. Direct the searchlight of your awareness inward. Compare the two sides. Look clearly what's happening. What's your brain's perception of the two sides? How are the sides different? Breathing into the side that we just did. Breathing into your right side. Gently, go softly so you can see what's constricting. Push up against that constriction as you take that long breath into the side. Squeeze the air out with that constricted place. Long breath in. Exhaling. Let it be easy. Here, we're going to breathe into the side that we didn't do yet. How is it constricted? Can you see the constriction more clearly? Breathing into both sides at the same time. Easy. What's the nature of the constriction on the constricted side?
Now's a great time to click like and subscribe. Actually, that helps me out a lot because clicking that subscribe button tells YouTube to show my videos to more people. I'm trying to get the word out. Thank you very much for practicing with me today. I'm Eric Cooper. Blessings on your journey.